And welcome to a short lecture on smart cities and communities. Now we will be discussing module 4 under unit 2, that is safety. When we tell a city is smart, then it means that we are leveraging data and technology to enhance city security, and this involves implementing systems for crime prevention, disaster management and public health. In saying so, the citizens who are living in such smart cities should be made safe and the environment should be made more livable. The initiatives for achieving this city security often include elements like adaptive traffic control systems, city surveillance systems, efficient solid waste management, and integrated command and control centers, all contributing to the city security and safety. Now there are two layers actually, functional layers and safety layers. Functional layer, they will be focusing only on the core component of the system, and the safety layer will be incorporating components designed for user, system, environment. Then comes the digital security. Actually, in a smart city, we are using data and as well as technology to optimize the performance of the city operations. So we will be generating all sorts of data from various sectors. So you have to safeguard these types of data, especially personal information, intellectual property information, industrial system, from theft and misuse. Then infrastructure security. When you say infrastructure security, it means that we are to ensure adequate infrastructure that includes 24 hours water supply, sanitation, good energy systems, transportation, etc. Then comes personal security. People living in such smart cities should be protected from terrorism, natural disasters, conflicts, violence, etc. For example, people who are living in cities, if they come across severe cyclonic storms, then it is a natural disaster state from which the citizens should be protected. Then comes public health security. For example, we were facing COVID situation between 2019 to 2020, and during such conditions we were under lockdown, and this is one of the public health security measures. Such measures should be provided in a city to mitigate the impact of health crises, and we have to strengthen the health systems to protect lives and economies. Then integration and data. Smart city infrastructure actually relies on interconnected systems that generate data, and they are used to optimize resource allocation, improve performance, and enhancing safety and security. Now, what are the examples? Suppose if you are a citizen living in a smart city, you are having a car, you are going somewhere and you want to park your car, then there should be smart parking. Smart parking is a system which is being allotted with the sensors and real-time data, and this will be guiding drivers to available parking lots, thereby reducing congestion and accidents. Then comes intelligent transport systems. People living in smart cities should be having good experience when they are traveling all over the city, and this can be achieved by optimizing traffic flow, by improving emergency response times, by enhancing road safety. Then all over the city should be provided with surveillance cameras and sensors, and this will be helpful in monitoring public spaces, detect potential threats, and assist law enforcement in investigation. Then emergency response system. Suppose if there is a condition in which the city is to be flooded, from a nearby dam, then we are to inform the people who are living around to evacuate, and they should be informed about this and this can be achieved by emergency response systems. But there are some challenges and considerations. First comes the privacy concerns. And if you are going to install a surveillance camera, even though it enhances safety and security, it also leads to the individual privacy intrusion, which is a challenge. Then we are achieving the smart city concept by leveraging technology and data, so such data collected should be kept safe. And integrating various smart city systems to work seamlessly together requires careful planning and coordination. Citizens are belonging to different categories, even though they are women, children, or elderly, disabled person, all should be capable of accessing the services in an equal manner. With this, we'll close the session.